Good morning to everyone. I am Radha Krishna, studying Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, 5th semester at NTTF Gannavaram Training Center. Today I am here to present my shop talk, and my shop talk topic is importance of drawbits. Before going to know about importance of drawbits, let us see what is drawbits. Drawbits are very important features in press tools. Drawbits mainly used for sheet metal forming process or drawing operation. How we can find drawbits on the die plate? A small projection is presented around the die near to the opening of the die. Here you can observe the die plate, and the die plate consists of projections in the square shape. Those are called drawbits, and the arrow indicates die opening. The main function of the drawbits is to control the material flow during forming or drawing operation. Let us know several important functions of drawbits are material flow control, reducing wrinkling, improve dimensional accuracy, minimizing spring back, tool life extension, increased productivity. Let us see step by step. Material flow control. Drawbits control the material flow during forming or drawing operation. It follows the desired shape and prevents from wrinkling or tearing defects. Reducing wrinkling. Drawbits reduce the wrinkling and it gives a high surface finish quality. Improved dimensional accuracy. Drawbits improves the dimension very accurately and providing a consistent part for the sheet metal to follow during forming operation. Minimizing spring back. Drawbits reduce spring back and partially return to its original shape after forming. Drawbits improves part repeatability. Tool life extension. Drawbits increases the tool life and it reduces wear resistance and it increases the tool life span. Increased productivity. Drawbits leading to higher productivity in manufacturing. Mainly drawbits is used in manufacturing industries. Let us see how the drawbit works. Let us see how drawbits works. Here you can observe the figure. In the center one is punch and side of the punch is blank holder or punch holder and the bottom of is die. Die plate on the die plate surface, a small projection is projected toward top side. Those are called drawbits. It controls the material flow. Let us see different types of drawbits are. Here you can observe the three figures of the die plate. In the first figure, drawbit consists radius at the end. In the second figure, drawbit consists in stepped. In the third figure, drawbit is in round shape. Let us see a video about drawbits. Here you can observe the red color is blank or sheet metal. Here you can observe the drawbits projected toward top side. Thank you.